This 5-minute solution will show you how to sync Facebook friends to TikTok account. It's really very easy process to sync your Facebook friends on your TikTok account. Just follow these easy steps. Go ahead and launch your TikTok app and open your profile. Now, from your profile, tap on this menu icon at the top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on Privacy. And here you will get this option, Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. Just tap on that. And now, all you have to need to sync your Facebook friends here, toggle this option on Sync Facebook Friends and tap on Continue. And you will jump into this interface. Here, tap on Continue to connect your Facebook with your TikTok. Once it's turned on, your Facebook friends will automatically suggest in your TikTok profile. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.